Yeah.
I hate transmissions after we got the motor running real strong.
Yeah.
So I've gone, there's a G-force transmission in it now. It's the only thing that's held the power. And then I was eating differential, so there's a Quake differential in there. So
how you like the Quake?
Oh, it's great. With the Nissan stuff, when they make a bunch of power, especially road racing, it's just gonna fail, man.
Really? It won't. Well, that kind of power, yeah. It might hold up on my car. I'm making about maybe 220. You're making twice what I'm making. So
and they were originally built.
Let's see if I can get those. Yeah, 150. Yeah. What do you have what kind of tranny did you have? It's customers. A G-force. G-force. Okay.
Which is I started with a turbo T5, you know.
That didn't hold up long.
Well, you know, I used that, and we sent it off to this company called G-force, and they build race transmissions. You know, they bleed you, but they build them right.
Yeah.
They take all kinds of torque.
That G-force sets
with brakes, and, you know, some modern motorsport stuff on a lot of Arizona Z-car stuff, all the suspension and shit.
Did you, is it a 5 or 6 speed?
5 speed.
5 speed? Say it's 5 speed. Has it got 2 overdrives or just a single and fifth? Just fifth gear overdrive?
Is a .90, so there's
so it's close ratio all the way throughout.
Yeah.
What's your first, like a 2.9 or a 2.7 or something?
No, I honestly forget.
Really?
Yeah. And there's not much difference between fourth and fifth. You can actually skip fourth if you're on a real long straight. You just want to pop it in and go. You know?
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. CB. Yeah.
Little boot clamp, yeah. Everything on this car is custom in there. Yeah, it's awesome. yeah, you're right, that is. Yeah, definitely. Even the exhaust, the way you've done that with it, is that obviously there's a reason for it.
Well, the oven runs straight out the back.
You're kidding.
We turned the 3-inch and brought it out the side.
How big? To keep from melting the CB shaft?
Yeah.
And that is awesome.
There's 4.5-inch square tubes, of course, and that was more than 3 inches, you know. Get it all up.
That is too cool. I mean, I can't believe when I got underneath, I was like, man, this thing is totally custom.
Got a lot of melt.
Gosh. That is so neat. How long have you had it now?
Oh, man.
A long time. Kept those on though, didn't they say that helped actually in the wind tunnel? I was thinking they did.
Yeah.
Well, rain guards.
Yeah.
That is so neat. Hey, there you go. Good to shout out to the Hybrid Z there.
Yeah, man.
Even though you guys kicked me off for no reason.
No. For what? What did you do? What did you do?
You know I didn't do this for. We won't go into it. It was for stuff that was posted at zcar.com, but they took it out on me and pretended I posted it at Hybrid Z. I'm getting this on video, so y'all rip out to you guys. You know who you are.
Was it a Mike Kelly deal or something?
It wasn't. It was Super Dan, I think.
Super Dan.
Yeah, didn't you, Dan? Super Dan banned me for life.
It's their damn show, man, you know?
Oh, I know. That's fine. Yeah.
I
that
have
is
no
just
political
so awesome.
affiliation with any of them.
Yeah, I don't so much anymore. I kind of, well, I've been in the import domestic bashing thing here now. I've been trying to defend the domestics. Everybody on Z-Car wants to bash them all. I said, hey, I like imports and domestics. Not all domestics are crap. A lot of them are, but not all of them. You know? I ain't got your face, and that's cool. Get you on camera there. The man himself. Ta-da! That's awesome. $11. Yeah, $11. Yeah. Even got that. That's pretty cool there. That's all custom there too.
Yeah.
Man, he just.
A buddy of mine did a lot of the fabricating on it. Roddy Sung up in Winston-Salem. He's real good. He did all the welds.
Yeah.
That's absolutely beautiful.
That is,
yeah,
man.
He's an artist. To say that.
Heard the name. You said it was Ronnie Suggs, right?
Roddy. R-O-D-D-Y.
Okay,
Roddy Suggs.
I was thinking it was Ronnie.
Yeah.
I've heard that. Suggs.
He's a buddy.
Yeah.
He's here with me, but he couldn't make it this week.
Did he make your manifold up 242?
Actually, no, that's a Lone Wolf Performance job, you know.
Really?
I forget the guy's name.
Is that three and a half, or the main?
Oh, I think it was 3 if I remember right. It breathes real well. I can't imagine how much I started adding. And I don't want
You've got so much custom stuff, yeah, over the years.
I would never speak that term out of power. Leave me or go buy stuff and break it.
Yeah, oh, that's exactly right. Yeah, that's exactly right.
Thing, you know?
Yeah.
Pigs, I know.
Yes, we are. Oh, you got the radiator cannon there too, so that helps a little bit with the. And you've got it lowered, what, 3 inches or?
Well, about as low as I can get it without dragging, you know.
Yeah.
Sitting about 5 off the ground.
About 5
at the pinch. So.
Now, I noticed your tires seem a little bit bigger than what some of the others. Is that you run such a big sideball, which is a tall sideball, which is surprising.
16-inch tires on it instead of 17s or 18s that some people do. I'm looking for grip and handling more than looks.
More than looks and everything, yeah. Oh, I didn't even notice that. You even got that. That's custom all right there, too.
Well, good stuff, yeah. That's Arizona Z cars, hubs.
Yeah.
Aluminum hubs and all them running, yeah. He makes nice stuff, man. Real sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen their catalog. They've got a lot of neat stuff.
Yeah.
Shout out for Arizona Z car.
Yeah, gotta get one to him, too.
Yep, they want him, too. So, are you gonna just put it on the trailer and go home then?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get my stuff out of the motel, put my tail between my legs.
I hear you, man.
What's your name?
My name's Norm Simmers. I'm on
Tom Barnett.
Tom Barnett?
Yeah.
Tom, yeah, I'm on the Z-Car forum. I'm Norm, the 12-second dual SU dude.
Okay.
Because my car is 12. Yeah, zcar.com.
Okay, I live
that's
there, too.
me. Yeah, me and Tony D, we've been there for like 10 or 11 years. We always argue.
Man.
Yeah. Yeah, Tony D. Even though you bash domestics all the time, Tony.
I swear, if you want to know what a left-handed gidget is for a duck's ass.
Shout out for Tony D. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, when I was in Japan last year,
That's it. Yeah. That's exactly right. Yeah.
What's your name? Connie. I'm Tom.
She's the one that puts up with me for the last. Good meeting you. You have a good one. Norm, the 12-second dual SU dude. You can't miss me. All right. Good meeting you. Bye-bye. Redbird. You need any help?